Hey all, this video should help you study for the ear training test. And it's just going to be using things you already have. So if you go into the modules, even though you already completed the quizzes here, you can still take them. So I'm going to go to this one. It says divisions of the quarter note and click on it. So this was due October 7th or some date here, but it doesn't matter. I had started it so I can either resume it or I can take it again. But it should let me take it, the entire quiz, even if I've already done it. Doesn't matter that it was already due. So here I notice that it has a longer than shorter sound. Da, 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 da. Same repeating pattern of long to short. I really only have one that does that, and that's this one. This is long, short, short, long, short, short, so that wouldn't work. Long, short, long, short. 3 parts to 1. Next. This one's short to long, short, long, short, long, short, long, in 2-note groups, so it's got to be this one. Anyway, I can go on and practice this. Okay. If we go back to modules, I don't care. It says you would want to finish the quiz, practice through all these. If we go down the bottom here, that was a quarter note divisions. I'm going to want to practice the compound divisions. Same type of thing. Hit take the quiz or continue taking or whatever. And hit play. It's going to play an example. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ta 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 ta. So it's short, long, short, long. This first thing is one of the ticks of the 6/8. This is 2. Ta 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 ta. So it's this one. Let's hear the next one. Hear a metronome here. Ta 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 ta. So what pattern is that? Let's do that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ta 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 ta. 1, 2, 2. So it does it 4 times. Ta 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 ta. So it's short, long, short, long. So I have to look for some pattern like that. Here, let's see. Short, long, ta 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 ta. It's got to be that one. And so on. So do these until you're pretty familiar with them. Let's go back to modules. Yep, I don't care about leaving the quiz at the moment. I also want to practice the scales, so I'm going to click on ET scales. Take the quiz. It's going to play me one of the major or minor scales. I have to tell what it is. This one I didn't hear any pushing tone at the end. It sounded very mellow at the very end, and it sounded the same on the way up and down. Because of that, same up and down, it's got to be either natural or harmonic. I don't hear any snake sound, I hear a mellow sound, so it's got to be natural minor. Next one. The third of it sounded raised, and it has a leading tone, so major. No other scale has a raised third or a major third in it except for the major scale. So it's a minor. It's raised 6 and 7. Different on the way back down. Let's do that again. Hear that difference on the way down? This part. Raise 6, 7, lower down. So we know that has to be the melodic minor. Even if you couldn't quite tell, if there's a difference on the way up and down, it's got to be melodic. None of the rest of these have a difference on the way up and down. Next. Same on the way up and down, and we hear this sound that's quite a big jump, as you know now, an augmented second at the end, so it's harmonic minor. Let's hear that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, big leap. Leap back down. Snake leap. So harmonic minor. Same up and down, natural minor again, and so on. So you can use these quizzes, which even though they're overdue at this point, you can still take them as many times as you want just for practice. And I recommend doing that until you get more familiar with these. What can you do next? Well, click on this Rhythmic Dictation scratch paper to open it. You can also, if you haven't done it, click on this, your Rhythmic Dictation practice homework. Okay, so my scratch paper is this. I'm going to print it out so I can write my notations down. Then I'm going to go to my Rhythmic Dictations homework, in case I haven't done it. Show in Windows Explorer or Finder or whatever, once I've downloaded the zip file. Open it up and try it out. This is common time. 2 and 3 and 4 and so listen to that. I don't even think about how fast those notes were compared to the beat. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a da 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 da. So it has two different patterns. 16ths, ta 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 ta, 1 E and a. The next one is one of these patterns. Let's look at this. Some previous ones where we show this stuff. So 16th ta 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 ta, and then ta ta ta, ta 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 ta, and then repeat. So it basically has pattern 2 followed by pattern 7. Let's hear that one more time. 3 E and 4 E and ta 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 ta. One last time. Okay, so I go over here and I say, yep, it was 16ths, ta 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 ta, ta ta ta, plus this one in 7, 16th, 8th, 16th. So, listen to those dictations in here, then write them down on this dictation scratch paper. If you've done all that and you still need some practice, go back to this Rhythmic Division sheet. These are the basic rhythmic divisions that I was looking at in simple meters, where we divide up quarter notes, and in compound meters, where we divided up dotted quarter notes, or 3/8 at a time. You can practice tapping out or tawing out these patterns. I recommend going to the next page too, and going through some of these. We did these earlier in class. So I'm going to do over number 1 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ta, 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 ta. Maybe I'll try number 4 later. I'm not doing rest on the test, so you can ignore those. 4, 5, 6, ta, 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 ta. Number 5, 4 and 5 and 6 and ta, 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 ta. Same with simple meters here. Number 6, 3E and 4E and ta, 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 ta 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 ta. And just go through and practice doing these and see how good you can get at them. If you want even more practice yet, you can go on to these rhythmic duet parts and just go through the top line first, then the bottom line of these. I have them both in simple and compound meter. So here I could go 4, 5, 6, ta, 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 rest, and so on. Once you've finished doing your rhythmic dictations practice homework, and you've done it to the best of your abilities, you can click on here, the rhythmic dictation answers. And you can see in here, compound meters and simple meters. It tells you what each of them are.